Everybody goes through a lot that nobody
Death?
knows about.
People go through death 5 times in 2 years?
Yes, they do. It
No, don't
happens.
nobody been through much death as me. I don't believe that. And I'm very strong. I'm a very strong person.
She pled guilty to drunk driving, but instead of owning it, she keeps circling back to how much she's been through. She talks like no one has suffered the way she has, like her pain explains everything. She minimizes the drunk driving, shrugs off lying as little stuff, interrupts, pushes back, and never really hears what's being said. When the judge tries to relate, she shuts it down. The whole hearing comes down to one thing. She doesn't get it.
State your appearance for the record, please.
Good
Alexis.
morning. Good morning, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, 357166, appearing on behalf of Ms. O'Neill. Ms. O'Neill, would you state your name, please?
Alexis O'Deal.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Have you gone over the pre-sentence report with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
All right, anything that you want to address?
The only thing that Ms. O'Neill feels that 12 months is a little long, she would request that the court to shorten it up if you could, because she has 3 kids and it's kind of difficult for her to be making all these, I guess, substance abuse. Yeah.
Okay, is that all she was? All?
Everything else, we're okay with it.
All right. Well, I looked at some things in the report and it's just kind of disturbing to me. If it's, I guess it's correct because there's you said everything is addressed, you've addressed it with her. One I look at, and first of all, Miss O'Neill doesn't really care about other people's problems. Is that true, Miss O'Neill?
I never stated yes to that. I do care about people if I love them and I know them. I got a lot of problems. People don't care about what I'm going through. I'm sick.
I think that's what you assume, that people don't care about what you're going through. And it may be some people that don't, but you said that you have people that you do care about, but you almost preference that
If
you
I
don't
know
care.
them, yes.
If you don't know them, you don't care about their problems, right?
No, how do I know what problems somebody else has? I have a lot of my own problems. People don't necessarily care or they fake it. Like, that's not, what is scary about that?
It is scary because you only think of what it tells me is you only think about yourself.
No, I don't. I have 3 well taken care of kids. I love my family.
All right. Things that happen to her are out of her control. Most things that happen to her are out of her control. Well, we know this was not out of your control, right?
What?
This drunk driving that you pled guilty to.
It was none in my control. I never talked to you about it. I lost a lot of people. You said you didn't care. I got to figure out a way to get there. I done got sick trying to find a way, walking 30 minutes there and back, trying to go down there just to do the survey or whatever you saying on that paper, on that computer. And I got 3 kids. Like, I'm literally sitting here sick.
Ms. O'Neill.
No. Let her go ahead and talk. Let her go ahead and talk.
I go through a lot that nobody knows about.
Everybody goes through a lot that nobody knows about.
People go through death 5 times in 2 years?
Yes, they do. It happens.
No, don't nobody been through much death as me. I don't believe that. And I'm very strong. I'm a very strong person.
Okay to lie to get out of trouble.
No, that's not what that means. Like, what do you mean? Like little stuff? If I tell my friend I don't want to go out, that's little stuff. That's not like what about that is scary?
Okay to lie to get out of trouble.
I don't want to do it.
I was telling your friend
because it's little lies. Like, what do I don't have to do everything somebody tells me or ask me. That's not scary. Like, you have problems in life all through life. And you telling me that my father passing away is not that deep. Like, I done lost everybody.
You did not hear me say that.
I done lost a lot of people, my support system.
I understand that, and people lose people. People lose a lot of people. I'm sorry to hear about your the death of your people, but that's a part of life too. And it's
My
an
support system.
unfortunate part, is an unfortunate part of life, is a tough part of life, but that is a part of life.
Oh,
You didn't hear me say that I didn't care about that. I
that's what
never
I've been
was.
getting. That's
Ms.
what I
O'Neill,
said.
don't interrupt the judge when he's talking. He'll give you a chance to speak, but please don't interrupt when he's speaking.
Okay.
The, you know, more, this is a very serious allegation here. But what did you have, and you've had this attitude since day one. Since day one. Now, if the attitude is coming from the fact that you're grieving and the fact that you're going through stuff, okay, that could be a reason. If the attitude is coming from the standpoint that you don't believe anybody cares about what you're going through, that could be a reason as well. You might want to get yourself some counseling, because ever since you've come in here, you're still the same Miss O'Neill from the first time I met you.
How?
Just like that. Your attitude.
I don't get it. I don't get it, because the way you come at me all the time, that's what I'm saying. And you basically are telling me you don't care about somebody that's my support. You think as life easy, you losing your whole support system, you got 2 little babies, plus a lot of problems, like you telling me you don't. That, like, no, that's not right.
I didn't tell you that.
I don't get it.
I know.
Every time we come to court, of course I'm gonna be frustrated.
All right. I know you don't get it. I'm not, that doesn't surprise me whether you get it, that you don't get it. I know you
Get
don't
what?
get it.
Get what?
You just said I don't get it.
You just said it's like life happens. I just told you that's my whole support system. My dad was a lot of support to me.
I know my dad was a lot of support to me too.
I lost him in my 20s. I'm only 28, about to be
I
29.
was in my 20s too.
Everybody's life supposed to be like mine.
And nobody's life is gonna be like anybody else's life.
Okay, that's what I'm
living
saying.
their own.
Right.
You're not gonna get it.
Miss O'Neill,
Well,
please be
if you
respectful.
feel like that, I don't feel like you getting what I said.
Miss O'Neill,
What did you say?
I feel like you don't never get anything I say. I said, if that's how you feel, I can't change how you feel. I tried to talk to you about it. You just, I don't know.
I'm trying to talk to you about it now. You're the same, like I say, you're the same.
Okay, I
combative.
have not did nothing to nobody. What do I, the same what?
All right. I can't, there's nothing anybody can say to you.
Yeah,
You got
it is. I listen to you every time and I get judged. Like, I get judged about my personal life. Like, what is the problem?
It's gonna be, anything else? You want to say anything on your client's behalf?
No, Your Honor, Ms. O'Neill is still relative. This is learning experience.
Like I say, I thought maybe from it, which I thought maybe I would get a different Miss O'Neill from the time we've met in a couple of days, a couple of different hearings that we've had to today, but I haven't.
I've spoken with her, Your Honor. I think she understands.
No, I think it's the same Miss O'Neill. And
I do understand.
Miss O'Neill, please be quiet.
all right. So do you have anything to say before I impose sentence, Miss O'Neill?
No, I just want to say I do understand, and you just talk for me and say I don't. That's all I have to say.
No, your attitude and your actions and what you're saying speak for it. And
It doesn't.
And that's, there it is. All right. It's going to be a 12-month probation, attend and complete an outpatient substance abuse treatment program, no alcohol or illicit substances, random urinalysis twice per month, attend and complete an alcohol highway safety course, attend and complete the MAD Victims Impact Panel, view the short film Consequences, pay $100 assessment fee, a $15 urinalysis fee. That fee is only going to apply if she comes down to the courthouse and tests. If she tests at an outside agency, and that'll go over, you can go over that with her probation officer, then you'll just pay that outside agency. It's going to be a $240 fine. It's going to be all other statutory fees are going to apply, and that would be the crime victims' right fee of $75, court costs of $65, probation fee of $35 per month, and any other fines and costs that are statutory by the state of Michigan. Those fines and costs will be on the judgment of sentence. If you have any issue with those fines and costs, Ms. O'Neill, you can you can address the court about it, or you can ask Mr. Taylor to address those for you. I will set a review date I need a 1-year review date. And then we'll bring you back in 3 months to see how you're progressing, okay?
Yeah.
So 1-year review.
1-year review, please.
It's gonna be February 12, 2027.
February 12th, 2027. And the review, that's the 1-year review date. And the 3-month come back on May the 12th, 2026 at 8:25. If it's nothing further, I do wish you the best of luck, and despite what you may think, I do care. I hope you get some counseling and stuff for your loss. You know, I hopefully you at some point recognize what the court has been trying to say to you all along. I don't think you're ready to get there right now, but hopefully at some point you do, Miss O'Neill, okay?
Okay.
All right, if it's nothing further, ma'am, I do wish you the best of luck, and I'll be praying for you. You have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too.
Thank you. All right. All right. Let's